Signs of nutrient deficiency and how to correct them. Ever feel tired, weak, or just off? It might be a nutrient deficiency. Let's spot some signs and fix them fast. If you have frequent fatigue and pale skin, you might be low on iron. Try adding spinach, red meat, or lentils to boost those iron levels. Got cracked lips or a sore tongue? That could be a vitamin B deficiency. Snack on eggs, leafy greens, and whole grains to keep that B vitamin buzz going. Dry skin or hair? It could mean a lack of vitamin A or omega-3s. Try adding carrots, sweet potatoes, or salmon to get that healthy glow back. And if you're dealing with muscle cramps, it might be low magnesium. Reach for nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate to keep those muscles relaxed.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips